Hi guys, in this session you are going to learn about means in SAS. The definition is the means procedure provides data summarization tools to compute descriptive statistics for variables. Simply, proc means equals to summary statistics. They are m, mean, median, minimum, max, standard deviation. For explain about proc means, we take example from SAS help.class and I named the dataset demo. Set SAS help.class run. Before opening dataset, check log is clear. We are opening demo. In this dataset, we are applying proc means. Proc means are simply finding the summary statistics of variables. The first one is proc means. Proc means, and the very important note is proc means is only applicable on numeric, and proc means data equals to demo. On the demo dataset, we are applying proc means, and where is a statement to finding the means of a variable, and why only for numeric we can't able to apply means on character variable and run. Here these are the default variables when we applying proc means, and here the means procedure analysis variable is age, and here n is nothing but number of observations in a variable. Mean is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations, and for standard deviation we have a formula. For now, no need to explain about this standard deviation here. Minimum is nothing but the least observation value in a variable, and maximum is nothing but the max observation value in a variable. These are the default variables when we applying proc means on a data set, and we can apply more than one variable in a where statement to find the means. Then how it will be? Proc means data equals to demo where age, height and run. Like this we can apply number of variables at a time by using where statement. We are applying on two variables, age and height, and for those two variables we are getting n is same for both variables, and the minimum is independent on observations, and here the 13 is the value of mean, and here the 62 is the value of mean of height variable and age variable, standard deviation of both, and the minimum value is 11 in the age variable, and 51 is the minimum value of height variable, and maximum is the 72 for the height variables. Like this we can find, and we can also grouping the variables based on the proc means. Then how it will be? By the by statement we are grouping the variables on proc means, but before applying by we must sorting that by variable, and proc sort data equals to demo by sex and run. In the by variable we can use both the character and a numeric here, and proc means data equals to demo where age and by sex. Here simply by statement is used for the grouping the observations. Whenever we use the by statement we must sorting that by variable before we applying means. Now we are running this too. Here we are grouping differently based on sex variable. Here we have a two types of observation in a sex variable. One is the f and another one is the m. Based on sex we are grouping the variable, and the number of observations are 9, and in that we have a mean based on f only, and based on m we have a number of observations are 10, and mean is based on that only. We get different values for standard deviation and mean, and minimum value and maximum value also different. Why? Because we are separate that number of observation based on the particular variable. Like this we can grouping the variables by using by statement. Whenever we use the by statement, that purpose is for grouping, and before using by statement we must sorting that by variable by using proc sort. Here we are getting by statement with in two tables, but we can set these two tables into one table by simply using class statement. Then how it will be? Class compare the variables proc means data demo class 6 var age and height and run. Observe here, before we are applying by statement for the grouping variables based on the type of observation in a one variable. Now by applying class, we are getting the two tables in a one table by using class statement simply. Or you observe here, we have a 9 observations, 10 observation. By applying class, we are getting 9 and 10 here simply by using class statement. Here the difference is by using by statement we are getting two different tables, but by using class statement it's the same for the grouping but in one table. Now we can convert this output into one data set also. Then how we convert this into data set? And proc means data equals to demo, and here we are using a no print. It means we don't want to print this output in output window. And a class X var age height and output out equals to demo1 and run. In the previously proc also we are using out statement, and here we are using the out statement in some other way. And before opening dataset log is clear, we are opening demo1 dataset. Here these are the default variables when we applying the proc means to convert into a dataset. And this is an age variable. On an age variable we are applying proc means, and height variable also. These are the statistics. What are the statistics? N, mean, maximum, minimum, standard deviation. We are already discussed about what are those. And when type underscore type is 0, when it's on total number of observation. Here the total number of observation, and but when it's separately it's giving 1. Got it? These are the 9, these are the 10, and we can print particular statistics in the output also. Then how it will be? And simply proc means data equals to demo median. I need only median in the output. Class 6 var age and height run. Are you got it? I need only one particular statistic in output. Are you get it here? We are getting only median in output, and those are we are applying class. That's why we are getting in one variable, both in a one variable, and the number of observation, and these are the variables we are applying here. Median is nothing but middle value of your numbers, and for better understand we just draw a line between the females and males here. And here the females, the total number of females are 9, and 9s are nothing but it's an odd number, so it's easy to find the median, nothing but middle value of your number. Here 11, 12, 13, 15 observations are there, and 1 to 9 observations are there. The middle one should be 5, so the median of age is 13. Now in the males, the totally 10 observations are there. It means this is an even number. In this situation what we did, we just take the two middle numbers 13 and 14, and we find the mean value for it. We know that mean value, the sum of observations by number of observations. By this we get a median value for males also, that is 13.5. We can get another statistics also. Then how it will be? Proc means data equals to demo mean class 6 and var age and height and run. Here we are getting median. Now we want to get only mean. Then how it will be? Yes, like this we get only some particular statistics in the output window, and we can convert this particular one statistics into output also. Then how it will be? Proc means data equals to demo, and no print class 6 var age output out equals to demo2, simply median equals to and run. By this out statement we are converting this output into dataset, and by the median equals to we convert only in the median into output. Then how it will be? Before opening datasets, log is clear, demo2. These are the median values. Here the frequency, already you know what is the frequency, nothing but counting of observations in it. and this is the type. When on a total it is a 0, and when is a particular observation 6, and m we are getting 1 and 1. Here we are not getting this as a median or mean or whatever. It means we didn't identify suddenly when we see this, so we need some name for it. Then how we give a name, particular statistic name for this variable. Proc means data equals to demo, no print, class X var age, and output out demo 3, median slash auto names, and run. Before we are getting directly by age. On age variable we are applying median, but we didn't find what is this median or mean or whatever. By overcome that situation, we simply give auto names. Then what will happen when we give this? Before opening dataset, log is clear, demo 3. Here age underscore median. What does it mean? We are applying median, so it gives a median auto name. Okay, like this we can name a particular statistics and a particular variable. Now, and we can use a more than one variable also. Then how it will be? Fragment data equals to demo, no print, class X var age and height out demo 4, mean equals to space, median equals to space by auto names. And by simply means we get only particular means and a median here. By the auto names it naming that variable. Then how it will be? Before opening dataset, log is clear. Here we are applying a on age mean, on age median, on height mean, on height median, and we are getting separate values for both. In the frequency, you know already, when on a total number of observation it gives 0, total of number of observations are 19, and on female observations are 9, male observations are 10. Like this we are getting output on particular statistics. And the next one, here we are giving class by var statements, but if you are applying directly proc mean, then what is an output we get? Proc means data equals to demo and run. We didn't give any particular statement like var, class, and by. Then what is the output we get? Here simply when we give without var or by or class or whatever, it just consider total number of numeric variables from the data set. Why? Because means only consider the numeric variables. That's why when we are not mention any particular var, class or by, it takes all numerical variables and find the statistics for those. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.